This video, produced by 프론틱스, is intended to help the customers better understand the field application using AIS 3000 Compact, an instrumented indentation tester. This video, with regard to instrumented indentation tester, includes certification, patents, configuration, and characteristics of the product, measurement and analysis process for diverse structures in various environments, using 4 typical attachments, and finally, the cases of application by scale of instrumented indentation tester. 프론틱스, based on superior R&D power, has enacted standards and codes and owned various patents and trademarks. Such patents and trademarks have been registered in USA, China, Japan, Russia, and Europe, also besides in Korea, which will be further expanded in the coming days, thanks to our continuous efforts. Viewing the above in detail further, included in the standard and codes are ISO TR 29381 and ISO TR 29381 Annex and ASME code Case 2703, KSB 0950, KSB 0951, KEPIC MDF A370, and establishing the new code case in ASME Section 3, Division 1, has been in the process now. As certification, ISO 9001 and NEP and new excellent product are available. When it comes to the patents, 9 cases have been registered in 25 countries, including USA, China, Japan, Russia, and Europe. And for trademarks, 3 cases are completed in 3 countries, including USA, China, and Russia, and 7 cases are in process currently. As demonstrated above, 프론틱스 has been doing its utmost to further expand the technical territory throughout the world through ever-increasing efforts in R&D. Now, AIS 3000 Compact comprises main head assembly, laptop PC, and attachments of which configuration is optimized to enhance the portability and convenience for the users at the site. AIS 3000 Compact has 6 innovative characteristics. In detail, the product size is only 22 centimeters, smaller than a 1.5-liter PET bottle, while the weight is 3.5 kilograms, lighter than 2 laptop PCs. Besides, it's installed at any angle to 360 degrees, and measuring time is within 3 minutes, and has a software which is easy to handle even by the beginner. Moreover, using a single equipment, it's possible to measure hardness, tensile properties, residual stress, and fracture toughness, as all in one product. Now, we will see how AIS 3000 Compact measures by combining 4 attachments with main head assembly, depending on test objects, through the cases of 4 typical test environments. The case to be introduced first is a cable-stayed bridge. Attachment to be used is flat magnet system. It's the attachment using a flat magnet system which is optimal for flat metallic shape or structure. It's necessary to first check the test object and position. The object for test is welded support structure of cable-stayed bridge, and the test is intended to evaluate the integrity of the structure welded and heat-treated. Besides, bridge deck and metallic plate are also applicable. Before indentation test, surface profile needs to be secured by polishing to ensure the reliable measurement value is obtained. The surface area for polishing is about a $1 coin, and 3 to 5 times of indentation test are possible. After surface profile is achieved, the tester is attached to the test object using flat magnet system. After displacement sensor keeps in contact with the surface, indenter comes down to start the test. When 15 times per cycle are finished, an indentation mark is visible on test object. Indentation mark at this time is very slight with a depth of 150 micrometers, which has no impact on thickness. The second case to be introduced is petrochemical plant, and the attachment used is U-block system. Using a U-shaped block of U-block system, This attachment is applicable to 3 to 6 inch pipe. The test object is a pipe at petrochemical plant, and the test is intended to evaluate the deterioration of the pipe over time. Besides, it's applicable to evaluating residual stress on welding pipe. After surface profile is achieved, the tester is attached to the test object using U-block system. The third case to be introduced is thermal power plant turbine, and the attachment used is weight light chain system. Weight light chain system is the attachment which is applicable to out diameter 6 to 24 inch pipe and structure by adjusting the size with light chain. Test object is thermal power plant turbine rotor, and the test is intended to evaluate the remaining service life of turbine rotor parts. Besides, it's applicable to shaft, casing, and valve. After service profile is achieved, the tester is attached to the test object using weight light chain system. The last case to be introduced is gas governor station, and the attachment used is double curvature magnetic system. Double curvature magnetic system is the attachment applicable to 10 to 20 inch or 20 to 48 inch curved pipe or structure using curvature magnet. Various pipes are installed on or under the ground at the gas governor station, and though they are mostly installed on stable ground, pipe deflection or heaving is occurred because of differential settlement of the ground. In such situation, it diagnoses the stress of the pipe and evaluates the stress concentration on deflected pipe so as to determine the safety of the pipe against the settlement. Furthermore, it's applicable to diagnosing the pipe stress and determining the safety when relocating the pipe due to development project in the vicinity. Test object is main natural gas pipe connected to gas governor station, and the test is intended to evaluate the pipe safety when deflection occurs by ground settlement. After surface profile is achieved, the tester is attached to the test object using double curvature magnetic system. When the test is attached to the test object using attachment and is ready to start testing, the tester and laptop PC are connected by cable or Bluetooth. The test is conducted using a laptop PC. Software installed is a total solution-based software, which is designed to deal with the test, analysis, report, and database comprehensively for users' convenience. A 5-stage test is designed to complete the measurement within 3 minutes per test. Viewing each stage more specifically, Stage 1 is indenter move, in which the indenter moves to the measuring position closely. Stage 2 is engage, in which the indenter keep in contact with the object to start the test. Stage 3 is test start, in which the indentation test starts for 15 times. Stage 4 is test end, in which the measured data is stored. Stage 5 is indenter move, in which the indenture is moved upward to protect it after the test is completed. When the test is completed, the outcome is obtained from a real-time analysis and report, and database may be implemented selectively. Prrontic's AIS series has accumulated the know-how through numerous cases at home and abroad for the past 17 years, besides the cases introduced above, and the test by scale depending on object is also possible. Depending on test condition and objective, Prrontic's equipment is capable of measuring the various objects in the field of steel, pipe, petrochemical and gas, power generation, automobile, construction, and research, from macro scale to micro and nanoscale. The copyright of this video is Prrontic's properties, and any illegal reproduction or commercial use without prior consent of Prrontic's is prohibited and is subject to legal punishment. Thanks for watching. I just introduced the various applications by attachment. I will say for sure, Prrontic's challenge toward the new and innovative technologies will continue and will grow further and pave the foundation for becoming the global brand beyond Korea.